Hi guys, it's William from ESL Jewellery here again on number 2 Chatham Street. So this week we're just going to go through a few of the aspects of the workshop and our workbenches, our equipment and tools. So first of all, we have this little forming bench here where we do a lot of the hammering and bending and forming our metals. We have a multitude of different styles of hammers under here. Again, we'll go through those another week. Here we have the ring sizer. You can stretch rings up or you can reduce them down in the bottom bit here. Very difficult to use that well. Here we have the draw bench, and then we have the draw plates, which we have all here. We pull metals down from wider widths down to smaller widths, and again this is the harder work, which is difficult to do by specific hand. We need the use of the equipment to do it quicker for us. The vise, where we use the ring stretcher here, the ring bender here. We have all the different sizes of the circles where we bend the metal, which gives us a perfect round shape. Then here we have the rolling mills. This is, as I was saying, the pièce de résistance of a workshop. You need a good rolling mills and you need to understand how to work them. This reduces the millimeter width or depth on any sheet or wire that I'm using, and we turn it in little 1 millimeter steps every time. We feed it in this side at the millimeters we want, roll it through and it comes out the other side. Then we turn it again one size, feed it in here, and out it comes. That gives me the size of metal that I need for then working. So then this is where we do all the finer detail and where we finish up and work on the actual ring. I'll be given a job envelope which will give me a description of what I need to do. I take the piece out, which is what I've done here, and then I start to work within it. 3 main parts to the workbench: your light, your drill and your torch. Now I have another torch here which you might have seen me working, the oxyacetylene torch. This is a propane torch, and we do the heating up work here where we have to anneal the metal and form it. Then if we do that, it often will get a crust on the outside. We need an acid bath to reduce that, alkaline water and the tissue. I'll go through all that another week. Then here we have the setting tools, the sharpening blocks, the steel blocks, and under here I have all my own personal hammers, mandrels, emery sticks and some more files and sweeping equipment. So, but again, there's a multitude of things in there which I'll go over again. Finally, you have your piercing saw and your bench pin. These are very personal to yourself. It's very difficult to use someone else's piercing saw or someone else's bench pin. So if you're moved to another bench, it can be difficult to move. This is formed for months and years of my own technique of filing, and you'll see it's all been carved that way. And the same when I work with the saw, and it's all done in this technique. My hand forms perfectly around this to do any of the work that I need to do. So listen, I think I've covered most of the basics there. I hope you've enjoyed understanding a little more of our work there, and if there's anything else you want to know specifics on, put it in the comments. Owen will help me go through them and we'll do any of those for you. So thanks for watching today. Goodbye from me, William.